Okay, so we're done with deductive logic, and I promise you we're not going to return to it. We are absolutely done. And now we're going to return to inductive logic. This week we're going to be focused on opinion polls, and mainly we're going to be worried about the target population, your sample size, making certain that it's enough individuals that's being polled, and what to include in the actual opinion poll. So in other words, how to question things. You're going to be practicing this in the discussion for this week, so make certain to do your reading before you post to the discussion board, because that's where you're going to learn all the information you need. Also, keep in mind, you're not actually implementing the opinion poll, so in other words, you're never going to actually ask anyone these questions. You're simply doing this as a hypothetical situation. Also, just to let everyone know, for the rest of the semester, we are going to be focused on inductive logic, and really soon we're going to be starting to get you ready for your final paper. And this is the larger paper that you're going to be doing. You have a few more small papers coming up as well. So this week you're going to have your discussion, and you're going to have a few exercises as well. And again, you have to do the reading before you do your discussion post. All right, if you guys have any questions at all, please let me know. And yes, I will be grading your papers that you're turning in today. Promise you I'll get them done within a week.